Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Tesla Roddy. So basically what it says is Tesla is offering a crazy supercharging incentives on its two sentimental vehicles. So the two vehicles that they're talking about is the Tesla Model S and X. So these vehicles are pretty much the flagship vehicle. So it's a high-end vehicles, and it's really hard for them to move this vehicle, and they don't make these in high volumes, right? So that's why sometimes it's hard to find a buyer for this. So they gotta offer some kind of incentive to move this one right here. So this article is written by Joey Glender. So Tesla is offering a crazy supercharging incentive for those who choose to buy two vehicles. That's CEO Elon Musk said the company is keeping around for sentimental reasons a few years ago. Tesla supercharging incentives are pretty hard to come by, and it is hard to tell when the company is going to offer them. Usually they are used to move vehicles and nudge consumers towards purchasing one model over another. This is very true because I think Elon Musk once said that it's not wise to offer free Tesla or unlimited supercharging. But sometimes if they need to make to incentive for consumers, they gotta offer something that will be, to be that for hard for the consumer to give up or to pass by. However, Tesla sometimes offers supercharging incentive at random times for no real reasons other than the luck of the straw. That is very true. So sometimes they do that on the Tesla Cybertruck, the Foundation series. You know what I mean? They make it more worth value, while for you to do that. However, Tesla is using supercharging to help move two of the cars that are low volume sellers, but are kept around for what Musk called sentimental reasons in 2019. Tesla is offering free supercharging for those to those who choose to purchase or lease the new Model S or X. The offer is good for the life of your ownership or lease. So Tesla talks more about the terms on its website. And this is what the terms stated on their website. Customers who purchase or lease a new Model X or Model S are eligible for free supercharging during your ownership of the vehicle. Offer is tied to your Tesla account and cannot be transferred to another vehicle, person, or order, even in the case of ownership transfer. Used vehicles, business orders, and vehicles used for commercial purposes like taxi, rideshare, and delivery services are excluded from these promotions. You are still responsible for supercharger fees like idle and congestion fees when applicable. So I don't know how Tesla going to be determined what mileage is you're only limited to. You know what I mean? Because what if you travel a lot and the whole purpose of you buying into the car with this was the whole reason of unlimited? And then again, what if you want to use it for Uber or stuff like that? So what is the miles limit on it that you can and cannot? Or how can what do they consider? For you to disqualify you or to remove that from you, if any. So again, that's something, I don't know. Maybe Tesla just throw it out there so that way, in case if somebody's actually driving, like abusing it like tremendously, who knows? But it's in there. This is a great promotion to attempt and to move some of the Tesla vehicles, especially to that the company only keeps around because they are two of the Foundation's flagship cars, right? So Musk said in 2019, I mean, they're very expensive, made in low volume. To be totally frank, we'll continue to make them more for the sentimental reasons than anything else. That's really of minor importance to the future. Tesla has not released a major update to the Model S or X in a few years. In 2022, it launched a Plaid configuration, but it has not received any true modifications since then, leading some to believe they could be sunsetted in the future. Maybe, because they did it, the refresh in the Model 3 and the Model Y, but the Model S only the facelift from 2013 and then 2016, I believe. But maybe it's coming. Who knows? For now, it seems they will be sticking around, but Tesla is still adjusting the prices and incentive of the two vehicles. Earlier this week, Tesla pushed the Model X price in the U.S. up by $5,000. So Tesla is pretty smart. They don't give out anything for free, like I stated. They increase the price of $5,000. So if you do, you have to consider $5,000 for free supercharging. So you got to divide that up and see how long it will take you, to make it worth it rather than before. So here, as you can see right here, the Tesla Model X right here. This is they offer you like two versions, like the all-wheel drive, and it's already at $84,990. So that's already pushed you off of the 7,500 tax credit, and the Plaid is almost $100,000. And you look at the configurations as the red color 2,500, the wheel, which is 20-inch wheels included, the toes included, and the 5-seaters is included. Yet the other configuration, like the 6-seater and the 7-seater, you got to pay more. And I think you got to pay more, and so I don't know. If you travel a lot, you drive the car a lot, you plan to keep it for a very long time, you drive it until it breaks down, then yeah, I say it's worth it. But if not, maybe not, because sometimes Tesla usually have this like very randomly, so you never know. But if you're in the market and then for a Model X and Model S, and you would love to have free supercharging, you still do. I believe with the Tesla Cybertruck, I think right now the last time that I saw with all-wheel drive was like 66,000 that they have in inventory. I don't know if it's still there, but yeah. So hopefully the Cybertruck as well too will be going down to maybe the $60,000 range, and that's what they're going to be pushing more, because if Tesla's so-called they can produce 120,000 vehicles of the Cybertruck in a year, and if there's no buyer, what's the point of it, right? So hopefully the price will go down. That way it make it more affordable for all of the other consumers, whoever wanted the Cybertrucks. Yeah. But that's pretty much it for this vehicle, guys. Yeah, don't forget to use my referral link. You can save up to $2,000. And again, Tesla changes the price all the time, so it's really hard to save 500, 1,000, 2,000. So, but sometimes you can save up to $2,000 if you use the referral link, which I have it in the descriptions. Other than that, it's Sunday. I hope you guys are going to be watching the Super Bowl if you guys into sports and enjoy it and cheer for the team of your choice. But on that, be safe, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.